In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward a GoDaddy domain. If you want your domain name to send visitors to another website, GoDaddy makes that process pretty simple once you know where to click. Domain forwarding is useful if you have a new website address, if you want multiple domains to point to the same site, or if you just want to make sure visitors land in the right place without needing to type a long web address. To get started, open the GoDaddy website in your browser. Once the page loads, sign into your account if you haven't already. After you're signed in, go to your profile area. This is where you can access your account settings and the products connected to your GoDaddy account. From your profile, click on My Products. This section shows everything you currently manage through GoDaddy, including domains, hosting, and other services. Since we're working with a domain, look for the Domains section and click on it to open your domain management area. Next, find the specific domain you want to forward, and then click DNS. This will take you to the DNS management page for that domain. The DNS page controls how your domain behaves, including where it sends traffic, so it's the right place for setting up forwarding. Once you're on the DNS page, scroll until you find the forwarding section. In this area, you'll see the option to add forwarding beside your domain. Click Add Forwarding to begin the setup. Now, enter the necessary details. This is where you'll provide the destination web address you want your domain to forward to. Be careful when typing the address, because even a small mistake can send visitors to the wrong place or cause the forwarding not to work properly. Take a moment to review everything before moving on. After you've entered the required information, click Save. GoDaddy will apply the forwarding settings to your domain. Keep in mind that changes like this may not always happen instantly. In some cases, it can take a little time for the update to fully take effect, so don't worry if it doesn't work right away. And that's it. You've successfully set up domain forwarding in GoDaddy. If you found this helpful, make sure to follow along for more simple website and domain tutorials.